In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule workflows in n8n. First, head over to n8n.io and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the workflow editor. If you're not automatically redirected, simply create a new workflow from your dashboard so you're looking at a blank canvas. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first node. In the node picker that appears, search for Schedule Trigger and select it. This node is what wakes your workflow up on a timetable, so the rest of your automation runs exactly when you want without you having to click anything. With the Schedule Trigger node open, start by choosing the trigger interval. This setting tells n8n how often to initiate the workflow. Think of it as the rhythm of your automation, whether you want it to run every few days, on a repeating cycle, or at a precise cadence. Next, enter the number of days between triggers. This is useful for simple spacing. Enter 1 to run daily, 2 for every other day, or 7 for a weekly schedule. Keep in mind that this works in whole days, so it's great for predictable calendar-style automation. Now, select the hour you want the trigger to fire. The time is in a 24-hour format, so 13 means 1 p.m., 18 means 6 p.m., and so on. It's also a good idea to confirm which time zone your n8n instance is using, so the trigger runs when you expect. If you choose an hour that has already passed today, the next run will occur on the following scheduled day. After that, enter the minute of the hour. This lets you fine-tune exactly when the trigger happens, such as at the top of the hour with 00, or at more staggered times like 15, 30, or 45. Staggering minutes can help avoid traffic spikes if you have multiple workflows. When your schedule looks right, click Test this trigger. Testing puts the node into a waiting state, so you can confirm the configuration is valid and that it will fire at the next matching time. A handy tip is to set the hour and minute just a few minutes into the future, then watch for the trigger to run. If it doesn't fire, double check the day spacing, the hour format, and the time zone. That's it. You've added a schedule trigger, chosen the interval, set the days, selected the hour, entered the minute, and tested the trigger. With this in place, your workflow will run on time, every time, exactly as scheduled.